So I'm Dr. Monjeeta Baroowa. So this is an initiative by veterinarians in poultry, a group of veterinarians from all over India and abroad who have come forward to promote the consumption of egg and chicken meat. These are a very easily available and cheap form of protein which everyone can afford to buy. Looking into the nutrient benefits of egg and chicken. During COVID also, egg and chicken meat has got a lot of priorities, and now people are more aware of its health benefits, and especially egg is a balanced food because it contains important amino acids and vitamins and minerals. Similarly with chicken, it is rich in magnesium and zinc. All these things, especially in women, if you take chicken meat, it helps middle-aged women to fight off symptoms of premenstrual symptoms, and in men it helps to maintain the level of testosterone because of the presence of zinc. So looking into all the health benefits, so it is our duty and responsibility to promote the consumption of chicken and meat for a healthy human body. Thank you.